Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Venom in Marvel Rivals. Venom is a powerful vanguard, meaning he's great at both dealing damage and soaking it up. His playstyle is all about getting up close and personal, using his symbiote abilities to disrupt enemies. We'll cover his core moves, easy combos, and how to dominate the battlefield with this iconic character. Get ready to unleash the symbiote. Let's dive into Venom's core abilities. Spectacular Spin is your web swing, perfect for closing distances or escaping danger. Use Frenzied Arrival to dive from above, knocking enemies back. Cellular Corrosion slows foes within 8 meters, then explodes for damage. And don't forget Symbiotic Resilience, which gives you a burst of bonus health, especially when you need it most, helping you stay in the fight. For easy combos, start by wall crawling to a high vantage point, then use Frenzied Arrival to dive into the enemy backline. Immediately activate Cellular Corrosion to slow them down, then relentlessly attack with Dark Predation. Remember to save your Spectacular Spin for a quick escape or repositioning. Your main goal is to disrupt key targets like healers, making it easier for your team to secure eliminations. Venom's ultimate, Feast of the Abyss, is a game changer. Activate it to burrow underground, becoming invulnerable and gaining 80% speed. When you resurface, you deal 50% of an enemy's current health plus 40 damage and gain a massive temporary shield. Use this early in team fights to severely weaken multiple opponents. Team up with heroes who can capitalize on slowed or damaged enemies for maximum impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.